Hello, y'all. We're still in week 5, still talking about revising your paper. I know I've said it before, but I can't emphasize enough how important this skill is. This is the most important week so far this term. It's in revising papers that rough drafts become essays. It is in revising papers that B papers become A papers. It is in revising papers that good papers become great papers. I want you to notice here what I put at the beginning here. Even if you achieved a high grade for your initial work, I expect a lot of effort on your part to improve it even further. Those of you who made A's, A minuses, even B pluses, it might be more difficult for you than the people who made C's to improve your paper, but I expect you to do it. I expect you to do it because that's how you become a good, solid writer. Many of you are not going to take another writing course. Most of you will only have to take one more. I want to make sure that you can do this yourself, that this is a skill that you have yourself, where you see what you need to do to improve your paper, and you either consult somebody, go to your teacher, go to the writing center, look online, whatever it takes to get your paper good. I want to remind you, I want to look at the assignment here. I have said here, your assignment is to revise your previous essay. That means to revision it, to look at it again, not merely to correct it. If you do nothing but fix the errors that I pointed out, I will feel I've done all your work for you. I will appreciate the fact that you looked at it and you read my corrections, but I really can't give you a grade on my work. There are other reasons for that. One thing is I will miss things. Every time I read a paper, I find something else in mine or anybody else's. Also, I get tired. And after I've corrected a spelling mistake once or twice or 3 times, I might just stop. So if you see that I have corrected something in your paper or pointed something out in your paper, you'll do yourself a huge favor if you will look to see if you did it again, because I will. And make sure that everything is as polished as it possibly can be. Let me know if you need help, and good luck. This is a hard, tedious process, but it's an important one. Let me know if I can help.